There we go. Morning, everybody. It is just shy of 8 a.m. As you can see, if you can see, I can't really tell. I am in a fishing shirt, getting ready. I'm getting ready to go on take one of my kayaks out to go kayaking this morning, and I discovered my Tevas are starting to come loose. It's pretty well contained. They're still a little bit moist, so this may not work as well as I want it to, and they're kind of dirty. I forgot to clean them. Just say. There we go. So I got a brush to clean it with, and I have a paper towel to wipe away any excess glue. So I didn't realize last time my shoe was starting to come apart. So I'm going to clean this real quick, remove as much dirt and whatnot as you can. There we go. I don't know if you could see me. You probably couldn't see me doing that. No. So I'm just using the brush to get all this sand out of there that was in there. Okay. And now we're going to use my boot fix to fix this thing up. Good. All right. Here we go. Bead of glue in there. Right to the edge. Let it drip down a bit. Oh, I put way too much in there. Oh my goodness. Going to put the cap on the deer. Oh, I put way too much in there. That's okay. That's why I got the paper towel. Okay. All right. My gosh, there's still so much. Oh, I put way the heck too much in there. Goodness. Okay. So I'm going to press and hold that for a while. I don't know how long it's going to take. Hi. Need to shave. Got way too much facial hair going right now. Alright. Okay, that looks like it's holding. Alright, I'm continuing to wipe off the excess glue. Should probably wear gloves for this. It's all over my fingers now. Shouldn't create an issue for me. Let's see here. Yep, all set. Okay, I put enough in there. I'm going to let it cure on my way to the river. I'm going to Weeki Wachee River. I'll be launching from Rogers Park. I'm going to let this cure in the 15 minutes or so it's going to take for me to get there. That's that fast. Now I can take it out and I can go enjoy myself rather than having to go buy a new pair. These things are like 120 bucks too. Maybe. They might be 100. I don't remember. It's been a while. I really need to clean them every time I use them. Oh my goodness. Double check. Make sure no other places are coming loose. Not that I can see. Excellent. Nope. 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 Awesome. Alrighty. That's all set. Took just a couple of minutes and now I can go use them on the river. If you have anything that you want to see me fix, I don't know if you can see me very well. If you have anything you want to see me fix, this is my Teva sandal. If you want me to see if I can find some other name brands, I'd be happy to do those. Just let me know in the comments. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, jokes, riddles, or funny stories, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you.